Hello, everybody. How to determine location of protected areas in the Philippines using GeoPortal. Magagamit natin yan for verifying if we are located in protected areas that will be required to secure an environmental compliance certificate. If the project is located in a protected area, we will be required to secure an environmental compliance certificate. So let's go to the geoportal.gov.ph, and here we can determine if our project location is within protected area system. In geoportal PH, here, lagay lang natin yung protected area, and then click go, and then click National Integrated Protected Area System. And from there, we have here the map of the Philippines. And we have here areas that are under protected area system, proclaimed, legislated, or initial component. So how to determine the location of our project if under the protected area system? So using this portal, and then go or click this XY button, and then indicate the coordinates. So we shall have our coordinates in latitude or longitude. So for example, in our Google Map, we can search for the latitude and longitude. So for example, the coordinates we'll be using is this 14 point something and then 121 point something. Saan natin nakuha yung 14 point something and then 121 point something? Doon po sa Google Map kung saan halimbawa doon located ang ating establishment. So using the mouse, right click lang. Halimbawa ito yung location ng ating project. Right click using your mouse. Yan yung ating coordinates. 14.01938 12109.597. Click lang natin yan at ilagay natin dito sa GeoPortal. After natin mailagay yung coordinates, the latitude and longitude, click go. And ipo-point out sa atin ng system ng GeoPortal kung nasaan yung coordinates na yon. So halimbawa, nandito sa part na yan, nasa loob siya ng legislated protected area. Yan, nasa loob ng may kulay na ito. At para malaman mo kung anong attributes na to, click mo lang tong triangle na to. Lalabas po yung attributes niyan. And this is a protected area, yung lugar na ito. At located sa Calabarzon Region. At yung area, ang pangalan ng protected area ay Taal Volcano Protected Landscape. During the Proclamation 906, series of 1996. Okay po. So in short, dahil nasa loob tayo ng protected area system, yung ating project location, we shall secure a Protected Area Management Board clearance or PAMBI clearance sa Protected Area Management Board ng Taal Volcano Protected Landscape at magagamit natin yung PAMBI clearance sa pag-secure ng Environmental Compliance Certificate. So ganyan lamang po ang pag-determine ng location kung nasa loob po tayo ng Protected Area System gamit ang geoportal.gov.ph. Maraming salamat po, and if you want to know more about permitting, registration, and reporting, please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Maraming salamat po.